What is up guys, welcome back to another video. How have you been doing guys? So in today's video I will be giving you a tour of my 7,000 rupees 1 BHK room here in Bangalore. Alright, let's go. Okay, so before we get started with the tour, I would like to show you the surroundings of my 1 BHK room, what it looks like on the outside. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it looks like. Very crowded place, and also this is in the west of Bangalore, in Andrahali. I hope some of you guys might know Andrahali. It's near Dasarahali. Yeah. And also the houses out here are not that expensive compared to the main city. Let's get started. Come on. Ta-da! Welcome to my crib. Alright, so this is a 1 BHK room. 7,000 rupees per month, right? And you can see here, see from the start. So this is the hall. This is the hall. Okay, so I have there my bean bag. That is where I keep my shoes. Okay, it's kind of messy, so guys don't mind. I don't have shelves. I haven't bought shelves yet to keep my shoes, to arrange things properly. But soon, slowly, I will decorate my room. Okay, so this is where I keep my shoes. That's my chair. That's my bag. This is the bean bag. This is my table. Okay, and this is the drinking water. This is my mini fridge. And over here is the basin where I brush my teeth. This is the mirror. I look at myself before going to class, before going out. And over here is the kitchen. This is a small kitchen, cute kitchen. Looks very cute. Nice finishing. Alright. Yeah. Okay. And where do they keep the cylinders? Alright. Not here. No cylinder. No cylinder. No cylinder. Okay. But the cylinders are on the ground floor. That's where they keep it. What an idea. What they did is they just connected with a pipe from the ground floor to each and every flat here in the building. Okay, and it's very nice. Nice idea. We can, it's very safe. It's very safe. Safety. Okay, and also you don't need to carry the cylinder all the way to the top floor, all the way to the third floor, the second floor. Alright, you just keep it on the ground floor and connect it from there directly to where you are staying. So nice, big thumbs up. So coming to the next room, tiny room. Okay, so you might be wondering what this is. This is a small temple. Okay, so for Hindus they would use this room for worshipping. But for me, since I'm a Christian, so I don't use this room, but I'm just keeping it that way. Okay. I have nothing to do with this room. So, washroom. Nice door. This is a plastic door. You can see butterflies. Very decorative. And here it is. Ta-da! This is the bathroom. The toilet. Yeah. Alright. It's clean, not that clean, and I have to wash, I have to clean it. Okay, so now coming to the final room. The final room is my bedroom. Let me show you how it looks like. 7,000 rupees 1 BHK. So here is my bedroom. Wow, looks nice, looks comfy, small and comfy. Okay, nice color, nice paint, but I don't like this. The orange paint is minus point for me. I like this color. I would prefer this color than this one. Alright, so this is where I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping on the floor since I have no bed yet. Maybe soon. Alright, so this is where I sleep. This is the wardrobe. Like, the wardrobe is huge. I can keep lots of clothes. Alright, so I won't show you everything. Okay, I can keep lots of clothes. Okay, so yeah, this is the, and yes, I have a fan. The fan is kind of dirty, okay, because of the dust. Yeah, so this is pretty much of my 1 BHK room. Small room, but it's comfy, it's nice, I like it. I can get nice sleep, good sleep, and also, yeah, nice balcony, fresh air, nice view, and also it has a nice view, especially if you go up to the terrace, you can get a nice view from there. And that is my college. Okay, you can see my college. You can see the yellow color over there. That is my college. Okay, so I'm studying and I'm staying in this 1 BHK. It's 7,000. And I've heard that there are some places like in this area, some houses having, like, they're giving less price for 1 BHK. You can get around 6, 5, but the quality of the room and all is not that good. But this room, this building, like the furnishing, the finishing and all, it's good. I like it. The tiles, nice. Okay, this is a room tour, very short room tour, shortest room tour ever in the world. Okay, so I hope you like it. And yes guys, like I've told you earlier that the rent is 7,000 and the security deposit is 30. It's 30,000. Okay, for 1 year. Yeah. So yes, that's it. So yes, that's it, guys. That's it. That is the tour of the 1 BHK room here in Bangalore, outskirts of Bangalore. Okay, so I hope you like it, and I hope you get some information from this video. Yeah, and please do like and subscribe and support this channel, and we'll be uploading soon again. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys.